Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Amit C960 web camera. The Amit computer webcam offers professional design and optimization for high-quality video streaming. It features a realistic 1920 by 1080p resolution, a 5-layer anti-glare lens for smooth video, and a fixed focal length that ensures clear images within the range of 11.8 to 118.1 inches. The C960 USB webcam comes with a removable cover for added protection, making it ideal for home office use. Additionally, the Amit webcam with microphone boasts two built-in omnidirectional noise reduction microphones that effectively pick up your voice while eliminating background noise for superior audio quality. It ensures crystal clear voice transmission during communication and can be easily set as the default device for microphones when installing. Moreover, the Amit HD webcam 1080p incorporates automatic low light correction technology to capture clear images in dimly lit environments. Our second best streaming camera is Nexi Go N60 webcam. Equipped with a fixed focal length lens, this webcam offers high-definition video capture at a wide angle of up to 110, making it an ideal choice for presentations. The Nexi Go software allows you to customize the field of view, FOV, and exposure using the digital zoom feature, tailoring it to suit your personal workspace perfectly. Setting up is a breeze, simply plug the USB into your computer and you're good to go. You can easily download the software from the manufacturer's website. The Nexi Go N60 webcam is powered by a 1080p Full HD 2MP CMOS, delivering sharp and clear videos at resolutions up to 1920 by 1080 with 30 fps. Its 3.6mm glass lens ensures crisp images at fixed distances, optimized for distances between 19.6 inches to 13 feet, making it suitable for various indoor uses. For added privacy and security, the webcam comes with a privacy cover that blocks the lens when not in use, offering peace of mind to individuals as well as large companies alike. Third choice in our list is Anker PowerCam C200 webcam. Experience unparalleled clarity with the 2K ultra-clear resolution of this PC webcam, ensuring that every meeting is sharp and detailed. Impress your colleagues or superiors with high-quality video calls while prioritizing your privacy. Simply slide on the integrated privacy cover when the webcam is not in use to protect your visibility. Customize the viewing angle of the lens opening between 65, 78, or 95 degrees using Anker Work software to focus solely on your face or incorporate your surroundings. The larger aperture size allows for enhanced light capture, ensuring a bright and professional appearance even in low light environments without the need for additional lighting equipment. Utilizing specialized dual microphones powered by AI technology, this webcam effectively isolates your voice from background noise for clear and pristine audio quality. Number 4 in our side is Logitech C922X Pro Stream Webcam. This specialized webcam is perfect for streamers who want to broadcast on popular platforms such as Twitch and YouTube. The C922X is a high-performance camera that ensures fast and reliable video recording. It features a full HD lens that can record videos in 1080p at 30 frames per second, as well as 720p resolution at 60 frames per second. With this webcam, you and your audience can enjoy top-notch video quality without any lag, even during intense gaming sessions. The advanced autofocus adapts to different lighting conditions, whether you're in a brightly lit room or a dimly lit space. Additionally, the webcam comes equipped with two omnidirectional microphones that use noise reduction technology to capture clear audio from all directions. Last in our top 5 best streaming camera list is Logitech Brio 101 webcam. Experience enhanced video quality with full HD 1080p resolution, ensuring you appear sharp and vibrant during video calls. Benefit from improved brightness thanks to right light technology, minimizing shadows by up to 50% for a more flattering appearance compared to older Logitech webcam models. Maintain your privacy with the convenient integrated shutter that offers peace of mind when not in use. Enjoy superior audio quality with the built-in microphone. Brio 101 is compatible with major video conferencing platforms such as Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and Zoom. Elevate your workspace with vibrant colors that allow you to showcase your personality. Crafted using at least 34% post-consumer recycled plastic for a sustainable future. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.